Beautiful day, oh, another beautiful day for all content creators to help each other grow. See, I stumbled across Dinah Ekweme video yesterday and I was watching her videos and she said something that really got my attention. Dinah said when they were growing on the streets, they have to also support each other by sharing flowers to each other, which simply means sub for sub. When I saw it, I was like, I think say na only me do am. I think say na only vibe with Sonia where they encourage people to do am to grow. I think say na only me do am. But when I saw it, and she even encouraged us to go and subscribe to a particular lady's channel. I even have to go to that lady's channel to subscribe to that channel because she said if you're a die-hard fan of Dinah Ekweme, go and subscribe to this lady's channel. I even have to go and subscribe to that lady's channel. It simply means before you can also get there, you also need to put in the hustle. You also need to help each other. You also need to grow. You understand? There is nobody on this YouTube street that did not, in one way or the other, do sub for sub or support for support during the time of their low days on YouTube. Now, when we don't come big, or when we don't come monetize, or when we don't come find comfort, we cannot comfortably tell you that, oh, grow organically, grow organically. If you are a content creator, you have not uploaded video today, you don't have any excuse because today is Saturday. Now, all through the week, you are busy with your children's school runs, you're busy doing one or two things or the other, you're busy fighting for family, you're busy doing this, you're busy doing that, you're going to work, you're going to office, you don't have time to create content, you don't have time to post content. But now like this, that is Saturday, that everybody is in the house, it is time for you, look for one space, sit down, create a content. If you want to create a food content, go ahead. If you want to create a sit-down video, go ahead. The most important thing is create a content and upload on your channel and master the act of supporting one another. You can't do without me, I can't do without you. That's just the honest truth. On this YouTube street, I've said it. Everybody that wants support should go and join my Telegram group. I have a Telegram group where things they happen there. Not be everything was supposed to come here and they talk. You understand? A lot of people have gotten 1,000 subscribers. You get. But once you join, the first thing you need to do now, you're going to wait and adhere to the rules and regulations on how it works. Once you listen to the rules and regulations, how it works, then you can now go ahead to start doing whatsoever you are doing. Once you get your 1,000 subscribers, back off and focus on how you can get your 4,000 watch hour. If you are still die-hard or vibe with Sonia in this 2025, or you've been following me from 2024 till now, or you've been following me from day one, and you have not found a way to monetize your channel with the way I'm telling you, you are missing out. Go and monetize your channel and thank me later. Like I said, the link to the Telegram group is in my bio, and all you need to do is to click on that my bio. You're going to see my Telegram group link, or in the description box the link is going to be there. Join the Telegram group, adhere to rules and regulation, and you're not going to regret it. A lot of people are sharing testimony. You are also be among people that want to go and share testimony, but for disclaimers, please, you know, guys, we're always need to put out disclaimers. If you are the real organic person, Mr. and Mrs. Organic, please, it is not for you. It is not for you. It is just for people that want to grow ASAP. Thank you for staying stick and hoping to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment. Lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I'm going to be seeing, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.